Hello everyone, welcome back. Our aim in this video is to download and install, set up the OpenVPN in Windows 10 in order to have secured access to restricted, blocked, and censored content from anywhere in the world using the free VPN services. So the first thing we did was where we went to the site OpenVPN. OpenVPN hosts the OpenVPN client. To do this, we simply downloaded by going to downloads. We downloaded the MSI for our 64-bit or 32-bit rather. So the most recent is the OpenVPN client for Windows, which we downloaded. So we downloaded this and we installed this. Upon the completion of installation, the OpenVPN client requested the MSI. Look at the one we downloaded, this one. Yes, this. So we have downloaded, we installed this, and it required the what? The OpenVPN services, meaning you have to download the free VPN services. This is what tells the client which server or which geolocation to assume when making such requests to blocked sites, domains, or content. So the website or the domain sees the request as coming from a legitimate server or service which you have selected. So for example, if you are in Rome, you want to be in America or US, you will select the US configuration file. So we went to the vpnbook.com. We selected the open or free VPN services that allows you to connect to the dedicated server. So once that is done, the next thing we did was to extract this. Once you've extracted this, you confirm that you have actually installed the OpenVPN client. It says right now on the start menu, it confirms it that we've installed it, but it's missing configuration files, which we have done here, which we have here. Now we go straight to the system tray as well. It tells me I have OpenVPN. Now all I need to do is import what? The configuration files. So I click import configuration file. Now this configuration file was earlier in the earlier video. We extracted it onto, there are two options for you. You can extract this onto your C users, your username and OpenVPN, or the C program files. You will find that OpenVPN folder. So I simply just, for example, I've downloaded the France one. I can locate this and use the config file for France server. Now what this means, what this means is my request will now be coming, instead of from my original location, it will be seen as coming from the France location. Can you see that? I've downloaded this. Don't forget this password. This area of the username and password will be required to connect. So once that is happening, you go straight to now look at this and you connect. The connection should start immediately. Don't forget that username I told us right now. The username is VPN book. Look at it here, VPN book, and the password is MB. You can even type it again if you want. MBU9WSA. For ease, you can just copy and paste. Now, let us look at it. VPN connection status. Yes, we have connected. Look at it. It says we have connected. Now, we have connected. Let us confirm that we have fully connected to this. We can minimize this. You go to the system tray. You see the icon should change to green. Right now, check the status of connection, show status. Now, to fully know that you're connected, look at it, it has changed to green. This is what I want to say. Now, my IP is 1012. Now, it says that even the notification on Windows tells you that you are now connected, and your assigned IP has changed from what it used to be to the one assigned by the VPN service. Now, the OpenVPN service gives you 10.12.0.70. Now, let us check the status here again. Click the system tray. You can close this. Click the system tray. Now, you right click, it's fully green. Now, show status. The status should be shown here now. You see, it says connected. What is my status? Connected. Look at this area. Connected successfully to the server 10.12.0.7. And now let us confirm that we're fully connected. All I need to do right now is go. We can even close this website. We can close this and go to, close that browser. We need to confirm. There is a site called IP2 Location, or you can just type what is my IP on your search engine. Now let us do this quickly. I will go to IP2 Location. Let us confirm my location. It should tell me where I am right now. So if you are in a country that does not allow certain content, or that is in you are in a censorship heavy country and you need to access blog sites, you can just say what is my IP. For example, what is my IP? IP2 location is preferred for me because it gives me the geolocation where I am exactly. Now I can click this. This will immediately print out your public IP address and tells you exactly where you are located. Now let us see a full review of all of it. It's getting info from your Open service. Now look at it. The OpenVPN service has given you the IP address 37187.158.97. Where am I? The country is called France. Look at it. In what region? Hauts-de-France. Wherever that it is. It's in the city of called Robois. The coordinate here, you may also want to see physical building or something that feels, you can look it up. You can look at that. I can go this way and say Google Map. You can go to map and just type in that coordinate. It shows you exactly where you are located. So OpenVPN allows you to also change your IP address and appear as though you're in a different location. Let us press enter. Let that happen. It's going to show me. It allows you to change your IP address. Also, it secures your internet connection. Look at where you are exactly right now. This is beautiful. I encourage all of us, if you need to browse securely and save money, you need to begin to download OpenVPN. It will encrypt your data, keeps you private from what? From online. It makes you anonymous. It keeps you away from being tracked. All of that. Now look at where I am. You can just simply click here. I'm situated in what? In France. Look at where I am relaying messages from. And that is that. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to remind us again, please subscribe to our channel, share and like this video. I'd like to thank you for viewing. Thank you.